and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you this beautiful square. Don't look at the square and think that it is very difficult. No, just follow me along and you will find it the most enjoyable crochet project. So let's start, shall we? So I'm going to start by doing a magic circle and then insert inside, pull and chain 1. I need another 3 chain to have a total of 4. So 1, 2, 3, and with the first one I have a total of 4. Now I'm going to start a cluster of 2 triples. So I'm going to yarn it twice, insert inside, pull through the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 and stop again, yarning it twice, insert inside, pull. Now the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 I have 3 through all of them. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and do a slip stitch in the first chain, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, do a slip stitch inside the circle, and this is the pattern that you're going to repeat. 1, 2, 3 and 4, cluster of a triple crochet. So I'm going to yarn twice, insert inside, pull through the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, again yarning it twice, insert inside, pull through the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 I have 3 through all of them, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, do a slip stitch in the first chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and a slip stitch inside the circle. Now I need another 2 of these, so finish them and come again. Now I'm done. I'm going to do a chain 1 and pull. I'm not changing the color, just I'm going to start another point. Now the yarn that we begin with, I'm going to pull as much as possible as I could to close my center. Now that I have worked this, I'm going to add the same color, but this at the top of here, the center of my chain 3. Create a knot, and we're going to start our second row. It's almost the same as the first row. What I'm going to do, I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to start working a cluster of triples. Same, twice, insert inside, pull the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, again yarning it twice, insert inside and pull the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 I have 3 through all of them, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference that I don't have here a chain 3 top. That's it. Again, sorry, again I'm going to do a slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and work again triple cluster twice. Through all of them, and chain 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, again a slip stitch here, again chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the same. You're going to work cluster. This time we're going to cluster of 3 triples. So 1 and then 2, and one more 3. I have 4 through all of them. For the next, you're going to work as directly cluster of 3. So I'm going to put here 1, and 2. See, I started working directly cluster. In the next, I have 4 through all of them. Now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to work a slip stitch on top. Again 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and working triple 2 times only. 1, 2. Again, one more time to the first loop, and the remaining 2 I have 3 through all of them, and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and a slip stitch here. Again a 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a triple of a cluster of a 3 triple. 1, 2 and 3. I have 4 through all of them, and you're going to continue working in the next 2 petals. So finish them and count again. I'm done with my cluster, so I'm going to do a slip through all of them, and I'm going to go to the top of my next cluster and do a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut. So now that's here, we're done with all. Now let's transfer this into a square. Now at the top of my cluster, this one, the middle, I have 1, 2, 3. The middle one will be the corner. We're going to go insert inside, and I'm going to start by doing 3 chain, and it also consists of clusters. This row all clusters. So 1, 2 and 3. 2, only 2, because it will start cluster of a double, and then work a normal double, chain 2, 1, 2, and now cluster of a triple. This is 1, and this is 2. I have 3 through all of them, and 2 chain 1, 2. Now cluster of a double. So this is 1, another one, 2. Now through all of them and chain 3. 1, 2 and a 3. Now we're going to work here, working 2 cluster of triple. So I'm going to insert through the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 again, yarning it twice, insert inside all through the first 2, remaining I have 3 through all of them, and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, another cluster of a triple in the same space. 1 and 2, and now what? Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have the corner. The corner, we first at the top of the cluster, we're going to start with cluster of 2 double, and then take 2 chain. Now 2 triple in the same stitch. Again through all of them, and then 2 chain. Again another cluster of a double. This 1 and 2 through all of them. So repeat until you reach the end, and come again for the next end row. Now I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of my cluster, and now you're going to chain 1. In this row, it consists of a single crochet. So at the top of my cluster, a single. I have 2 chain, 2 single crochet. This is my corner. At the top in the same stitch, I'm going to work 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. I have 2 chain, 2 single crochet, 1 single on top. Now I have 3 chain, so 3 single crochet. This I have 1 single, 4 chain, 4 single crochet, and 4. Now I have here another cluster, so another single, and here 3 chain, 3 single crochet. So what is the pattern? At the top of each cluster 1 single crochet, and according to the chain you're going to work. If you have 2 chain, 2 single, 3 chain, 3 single, and so on. Only the difference that you're going to work at the middle of this cluster, the corner, you're going to work at the top of 3 single crochet. So finish the remaining and come again. Now I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet and chain 2, 1, 2. Now in each of the previous single crochet I'm going to work half double crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, all half double crochet, except what? Do you remember the 3 single for the corner? The middle one you're going to work 3 half double crochet, 2, 3, all in the same stitch. See, all the same stitch. Now the remaining all 1 half double crochet. So finish them and come again. Now I'm done with my stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the second chain. Now you can stop at this point to have a beautiful square. You have so many options. Or if you want a bigger square, you can add the same pattern of half double or even a double crochet, except in the corner 3 of whatever stitches you choose. Okay, so either you stop or continue by increasing, or you can do what? You're going to chain 1. In the same stitch, you're going to do what? A single crochet and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the third, so 1, 2. In the third, you're going to do a single crochet. And this is the pattern. You're going to work 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you count 1, 2. In the third, a single crochet. So continue working this and come again. So now I'm done. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and pull and cut. Now this I'm going to insert my needle, and then in the outer loop I'm going to insert to secure the needle. That's what I'm going to do in all my extra yarn. I'm going to secure by using a needle. So this is our square. See, this is after I've cleaned it. So this is our square for today. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.